Hello everyone and welcome again in our new video. In today's video, we are again gonna learn some really awesome and cool stuff and how to make them. Starting off with the first one, in which we are using some pieces of clay to make a frog. As you can see and learn from the video, we'll follow the steps to make it. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is a really easy one and a really beautiful one, we have used clay, a single piece of clay, to make a big octopus with big eyes. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is also an easy one, we will see how to make this beautiful piece of decoration which represents two ducks facing each other. Moving forward, we will again learn how to make a duck, which is really beautiful and awesome for the decoration. We have used a single piece of clay to make that full duck. We have first made the head and then the tails and the abdominal part of the duck. And as we can see, the duck looks really beautiful, and we will cut the clay from the scissors as shown in the video. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, we will again learn how to make this beautiful piece of decoration. As you can see and learn from the video, it looks really beautiful, in which two birds are wrapped around each other. Moving forward to the next one, it is also a really beautiful one. We will learn how to again make a really beautiful duck which can be easily used for decoration purpose in your house. Moving forward to the next one, we will learn how to make a really big and beautiful flower. This looks really beautiful. As we can see and learn from the video, we will keep following the steps to make it. As you can see, we have cut the clay from the scissors in parts to make it look more beautiful, and we have made a flower on a flower. Moving forward to the next one, we will again take a long layer of clay to make a duck once more, which looks really beautiful, as you can see. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is a really easy one, which looks a really beautiful one for decorating your house, as you can see. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will again learn how to make a really beautiful flower, with which petals we will make by our fingers only. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which we are again gonna take a single piece of clay, which is a big one, and we will keep following the steps to complete it. It is a really good decoration for your house. Moving forward to the next one, which is a really cute one. As you can see and learn from the video, we'll see and learn how to make a cute rabbit. Going forward to the next one, we will learn how to make cute pieces of Momo. As you can see from the video, we will follow the steps to make it. Moving forward to the next one, we will again learn how to make a really good piece of decoration. As you can see and learn from the video, we will keep following the steps to make it, and as we can see, we are performing the steps with our fingers to complete it. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which we are again using some piece of clay or mold. As you can see, we can also call it dough. We will follow the steps as shown. Thank you for watching the video.